my god! This is one of the biggest AI upgrades ever! Claude 4 just got artifacts and this is a game changer! Let me show you exactly why you should use artifacts, why it's a big deal, and why you should never trust YouTubers. So a couple of days ago, Claude and Anthropic just released these interactive AI-powered applications. They call them artifacts, and they've got on their website actually a marketplace of artifacts created by people using Claude 4. And these are pretty much RAID applications that you can use on your workflow, customize them to your needs. These are AI powered and you can use your own API key. So the idea is that you create an application, it's hosted on Anthropic, and everybody can use it using their own API keys. So maybe you could create a PowerPoint that is AI, that has AI inside and creates the PowerPoint according to the AI text that you give it. You release this artifact to the world and everyone can access it and put their own API key and use your application. So this is pretty much the idea of open source stuff and ready-made applications which you can deploy using Claude 4. And this is such a big deal, according to YouTubers. Look at them! Look at them! This is insane! Oh my god! Oh my god, I've never seen this before! I've never seen this before! I've never seen this before, like Yourware has this. You can see here all of the applications created, you can use them. Lovable has it! You can use their websites or whatever they have created. This is so shocking, this is so insane according to AI YouTubers, it's insane! Oh my god, this is such a joke of a community. I know, I get it guys, I know. You are not getting the same views as you've got like a month to 5 months ago. The views are down because there is not enough hype, because you hype everything up. But it doesn't matter. Your boy the IRA is here to give you an honest review, an honest result, at least to the best of my knowledge. If you want to learn more about AI, well, I've got something to sell you. I've got a Udemy course, you pay once, you get all of the updates, all of the current materials. You don't have to buy subscriptions every single month, paying $50, $60 to 10 different guys, wasting your money. This is the guy to be around. $20 to $30 just to get in, super cheap, one-time fee. I'm updating it all the time because I want to make this product one of the best products ever. Link down below in the description. Enough with selling. Let's try out Claude artifacts. You can find loads of artifacts. Click this button over here on the Claude website and boom, you can use them. So let's go ahead and, prompt this bad boy over here. Let's just, prompt this. And I want to code something. So let's create a educational website. Why not? Let's create a SEO optimized transformer web page on Claude and deploy it using artifacts to see how groundbreaking and insane this thing is. I'm really disappointed in AI YouTubers, to be completely honest with you. This is not a very big deal. It's just that Anthropic is always lagging behind most things. Their first big major thing is like Claude CLI and how good their models are at coding, code editing specifically, or creating small functions. They're pretty good at it. They're not very good at one-shot, results. You're going to see it here. The result here is not going to be that great. Gem 2.5 Pro does a lot of a better job, but it doesn't matter. Just let me show you what artifacts is, how you can use them. It's no big deal. Don't listen to this kind of YouTubers. It's so disappointing to be part of this community. I'm sitting on vacation and I get a drop of 10 guys doing the same exact video saying, Claude artifacts are insane. They start the video. This is a big deal. And after 10 minutes, you don't even understand what these artifacts are, why they're a big deal, if they're a big deal. Well, they're not a big deal. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. Yes, it's nice that you can have access to applications really easily. Yeah, artifacts allow you to share applications, tools, and content. They can also use AI inside of them and people can provide their own key and all of that stuff. It's nice. You can share loads of things. But it's not such a big deal. This is available to so many applications, not even the biggest ones. Like Yourware is a small company, it's a not large company. Lovable is a very good company, amazing product, but it's not even close to being as big as Anthropic's Claude 4. And look at this, these guys can never create a good website. It's insane, whatever. This is such a fucking bullshit, man. Let's click continue because it reached like the context window or output window. Really guys, the experience of Claude for chat for one-shot prompting simple websites, it's so bad, man. It's so bad. I'm not a hater, but I mean, I'm trying to be very, very subjective. I don't know if this is the correct word. I think it's subjective or objective. Subjective or I don't know. But yeah, it's not a big deal. Like, it's something that they haven't done in due time. So this is like the web page. You can see it over here. Nice. It's a good web page. It's just that I think Geometry 2.5 Pro is a lot better. So yeah, you could go ahead and click the publish button. Publishing this artifact will make it accessible to anyone in the internet. Let's publish our artifact. Oh my god, this is so insane. I can now copy and paste this website and show it to other people. Show them how bad this website is and how much it lacks content. But yeah, this is how you can share your creations with other people. This is what artifacts are for. And then you've got this customize button, which is a little bit of a big deal. I really like this, but it's also available on all of the other platforms I told you about. I told you about this. Like, Uware has this, Lovable has this. I'm not sure about Lovable, but this remix transform button, it's no big deal. Okay, you get the code of the other person and you can just go ahead and change it. Oh my god, this is groundbreaking. Change the topic to AutoML. Alright, let's change the topic to AutoML and customize my own creation, which we can think of taking from another guy. Oh my god, I'm customizing an application created by other guy using AI with 2 clicks. Whoa, this is insane. This is insane. Oh, let's go ahead and... I'm just making jokes, guys, because like this community is a fucking joke. These normie guys, they think they're, you know, AI experts and... Oh my god, they add the button where the VM can deploy the application. Oh my god, AutoML Hub, do the changes, making the edits. Oh my god, it's animated. I see it doing the changes live. This is insane. Really, guys, I'm really sorry for this, but when I've seen like their videos and I've seen that this is the insane thing happening, I just couldn't stop but make this video. This is such a joke, man. This is such a joke. Like these boys, I really believe that Anthropic pays them to put insane everywhere. It doesn't make any other sense. Like I understand they make $20 per 1,000 views. Each view counts because they use editors, they use thumbnail creators, they don't do the edits themselves. They're living paycheck to paycheck. I get it. I totally get it. But this is not fucking insane. It's not. It just isn't. I'm really sorry, but publishing has been done already 3-4 months ago. You've seen the videos from Uware, from Lovable. I've showed this button to you so many times. It's not a big deal. It's not something that nobody else has done. And Anthropic is a huge company. And they always under-deliver. They always do. They're very good at coding. I get it. They're very bad at pretty much everything else. But they're not that great. And I don't know why people push them all the time. All the time. Sorry guys, but I'm really angered. I'm really angered by what I'm seeing about this from this community. Yeah, okay, content's good, everything here, blah blah blah, boom. Okay, let's publish this artifact. Let me publish this. The world needs to see this. The world needs to see this artifact. This AutoML artifact. It's the most insane thing ever. Okay guys, enough with the jokes. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you understand why this is no big deal and never fall prey to AI YouTubers. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.